Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on October 22, 2025, just yesterday. The big hook is that this paper turns ordinary screen-recorded tutorials into training data, yielding 1.52 million interaction steps and boosting OS world-verified success from 9.3% to 15.8%, with agent net bench step accuracy rising from 64.1% to 69.3%. The paper is titled VideoAgentTrek, Computer-Used Pre-Training from Unlabeled Videos, and as we will see later, the implications for training agents are quite significant. In brief, a Video 2 Action Inverse Dynamics module recovers precise GUI events and parameters from 39,000 videos, then two-stage training leverages that data. Also, the authors shared the project on GitHub. The implementation is accessible there. You'll be able to grab the code and explore it once the page is available, so if you're following along, keep an eye on the repository as they finalize access and materials for the release. Alright, Figure 1 shows the end-to-end pipeline that turns unlabeled screen recordings into usable training trajectories. An inverse dynamics module means the system infers which actions produce the visual changes, so it recovers both action types and their parameters. The flow begins with video collection and screen filtering, continues with video 2 action detection and parameterization, and finishes with agent training. The result is broad, diverse supervision mined automatically from internet tutorials. Well, Figure 3 shows the domain distribution, which means the videos are grouped by the kind of computer tasks they demonstrate. The largest slice is operating system activity at about 36%, so the dataset leans towards system operations. Professional and daily tasks form substantial portions, giving strong coverage beyond basic demos. Office tasks add meaningful variety, while workflow clips occupy a smaller share. Alright, Figure 5 shows clear performance gains from video pre-training on both OS World Verified and Agent Net Bench. On OS World Verified, task success reaches about 14% after video pre-training. With more allowed actions, the same model scales to around 16%, showing it can use longer plans. On Agent Net Bench, step accuracy improves to roughly 69%, which signals strong transfer to offline tasks. Together, these bars indicate that the two-stage regimen adds capability beyond supervised fine-tuning alone. So Table 2 presents how well the system fills in action parameters, which means predicting concrete details like click coordinates or typed text. The overall accuracy sits near 0.66, showing the outputs are generally usable for training. Pointer-based actions do best, with scroll near 0.74 and click around 0.71. Typing lands near 0.67, while drag and press trail at roughly 0.37, because subtle visual cues make them harder to verify. Alright, 2 takeaways stand out. Turning unlabeled screen recordings into structured trajectories works at scale, with Video 2 Action's Inverse Dynamics module yielding about 1.5 million steps, and those signals measurably lift agents, raising OS World Verified success to roughly 16%. The broader implication is clear. Passive internet videos can fuel affordable, long-horizon computer use training. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.